Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce economic burden with Chime, full guide step by step clearly. First, download the Chime app from your mobile device's app store. Open the app and create a free account by entering your details. Link your bank account by providing your account number and routing number. Once linked, set up direct deposits to receive your paycheck directly into your Chime account. Utilize Chime Save when you get paid feature to automatically save a percentage of your income. Enable roundups to ensure that your everyday purchases round up to the nearest dollar, saving the difference. Monitor your spending using Chime's spending tracker to identify where you can cut back. Explore Chime's no-fee features to avoid overdraft fees and monthly maintenance fees. Consider budget tools offered by Chime to help you allocate your funds effectively each month. Utilize the Chime Visa debit card for cashless transactions, which may help manage spending better. If you're looking to build credit, consider Chime's Credit Builder card that helps track your spending. Stay informed through Chime's notifications for your transactions, ensuring you never miss a payment. Review your account statements regularly to keep tabs on your financial habits. If you encounter issues, reach out to Chime's customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your economic burden using Chime. Start managing your finances and saving money today with these practical tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.